Welcome to iMovie. I'm going to take you through a simple tutorial. First, select that icon for iMovie and then the plus sign. As you create a new project, simply tap on the film icon and/or new project and tap your finger behind the T in project to back up the cursor and type in the name of your own individual creation. Making a movie is fairly simple, and I'm only going to take you through the basics. You'll go to Media after you touch the plus sign, and the media screen will let you select what you would like. I usually start with the sound, so I go to audio. Then I go to my songs, or sometimes I go to ones that I have created on my phone, which make copyright issues a non-issue. That's a high-level suggestion. Try to create your own. After the song has been selected, a green audio bar will drop into the movie screen. Then it's time to add photographs and pictures. If you make an album ahead of time on your camera from your smartphone, it will make this job a lot easier. Go to your album or your photo selections. Simply tap on the photograph you want to use and then touch another plus sign and do it repeatedly until you have all of the visuals that you want in the movie you're creating. Once you have visuals, it's nice also to go back to your media screen with the plus sign and select a little video that you have created that you'd like to add. This is my video screen, and I'm going to go ahead and select one of the little videos that I have created and put a clip of it into my movie. On top of the green bar, I will see the video clip that I have entered. In order to hear that video clip, I'm going to have to do some touching and adjusting. So I'm going to tap on the video clip with my finger, and then that will turn that video clip yellow. Yellow, as in the case of a stoplight in the United States, means that we are deciding what we are going to do with that piece of media. So now that it's highlighted yellow, I'm going to select my sound icon. And when I select the sound icon, I'm going to adjust the volume, which is usually at 0 on any video you insert, and I will turn it up fairly loudly. Now I go back to my original audio portion, which is the green sound bar, and I will tap on that. In order to separate it like you see, I have to use special tools in the lower left-hand corner. So I'm going to my scissors icon, and then I'm going to tap the word split. Split causes the audio portion under my video to be adjustable so that I can take the volume down on the music and I can hear the gentleman that is recorded in my video. So I go back to that Aaronic blessing that has been highlighted yellow. It has now been split so that I can adjust simply that volume under the video, and I go back to my audio icon. Now I take my volume and take it way down. And I can try it a few times, tap on my movie so I can hear it, and edit it accordingly. Once I complete getting the audio correct and I'm all finished, I'm going to add some more photographs. So making sure that my audio is selected and my audio will be adjusted back loudly after the video has been inserted and I can hear the video clearly. I will hit the plus sign again, tap on that, and go back to my media screen, back to my photographs, and select the photographs I want to finish my movie. That's about it. A simple tutorial for a great idea.